But now it's a hotel, and it's one of these flashy, trendy places you go to get drunk of a Friday and a Saturday night. Done a little vlog for my YouTube channel. Just popped into the hot dog van there and got myself an Eat Your Heart Out Aid Larson hot dog. Right, so today I'm stood outside the Mechanics Institute. It's in the railway village in Swindon, not far from the town centre. Bit of information about this building. The building was designed and constructed by Edward Robert and completed in 1855. It contained the UK's first lending library and provided house services to the workers. It was enlarged in 1892-1893 by Brightwell Binyon, after which the committee opened its health services to other local workers. Nye Bevan, mastermind of the NHS, later said there was a complete health service in Swindon. All we need to do was to expand it to the country, and that's basically what he did, formed the NHS because of this place here. Basically, it's a bit like the Lacarno up the old town. You know, nobody seems to know what to do with it, and whilst they're doing nothing with it, it's just kind of rotting away. Which is a shame, because again, you know, this is all part of Swindon's heritage, Swindon's history. It was built on the railways. When the railways left Swindon back in the mid-80s, I mean, that was the heart and soul, kind of gone out of Swindon in a way, because it built itself on the railways. That was its beating heart, if you like. Right, okay, so once again we're out with the old drone, giving you a bit of a fly around of the railway village, and especially this place here, which is the Mechanics Institute. You know, it's this was quite a place once upon a time, you know. Get a bit of elevation on it, give you a bit of a bit more of an idea about the place and what it looks like from above. It's been filmed quite a lot, to be fair. This was probably one of the most iconic buildings in Swindon at the time. Back in its day, it was the central hub of the community. It was a place where workers used to kind of meet up, and they would do all sorts of things there, I suppose. You know, play games, a bingo, concerts. It's actually got a concert hall in it. It's just such a shame it's the way it is at the moment. So basically all around here is where they used to make the locomotives. This was all the work sheds. Up to about 15,000 people used to work in this place, and it was quite a place at the time. Just say you're not too far from the town centre. You can see Christ Church in the background. The spire on the hill, you might just be able to make that out. I was up that way yesterday, yeah, but today we're looking at that building down there, the Mechanics Institute. As you can see, it's very central to the railway village, and this was the heartbeat of Swindon, pretty much all around here. Swindon was built on the railways, making locomotives for many years. Many people from the surrounding villages and towns moved into Swindon because of the benefits, you know, the money they could earn, the regular hours, the healthcare system which was provided to them by the Great Western Railway at the time, and it was a good place for people to come and to work. But it's just a shame that this building is not really looked after. You know, it needs a lot of money investing into it to make it the place which it used to be, and they're just not going to do it. And in the meantime, what happens? It just decays. It just decays, which is a shame, because you know, it's part of Swindon's history, and it needs to be preserved. There'll be water leaking in there. It would need a lot of money to put this right, to make it what it was once before, and if they did spend the money on it, I'm sure, you know, there's, just like the Lacarno, there's places where people could come and visit. You can make some you know, nice little like eating venues out of places like this, just if you had the money and the time and the vision to do it. And we tell you, okay, everything's a bit of a gamble in life, but you know, you don't get anywhere without a gamble. You know, you've got to take a bit of a gamble every now and again. And after all, you know, that's how businesses work. You know, they make a success, but you know, more often or not, there's a gamble involved in it. It's kind of where the old Swindon kind of meets the new Swindon. You know, it's there's a lot of high tech here. There's headquarters for Zurich Finance over there, and also up in the old town there's the headquarters for Nationwide Building Society. They employ about 3,500 people. Yeah. So there you have it. That's basically the Mechanics Institute. Seen better days. Part of Swindon's unfortunate lost history, almost distant proud past. Now it's almost consigned to the dustbin once again, a bit like the old Lacarno up in the old town. It needs a saviour, but there is no saviour forthcoming. Right, okay, we're now approaching Bristol Airport, so I've moved from Swindon to Bristol Airport. It's a great place where I can stick my drone up in the air and go and film the planes coming in. Right. Only joking, obviously that's very illegal to do that. No, I'm down here on a pickup. I've got to go and pick some people up, taking them back to Highworth near Swindon. So this basically is the outro to my video today. I hope you enjoyed what you've seen. There's plenty of places to go in and around the Swindon area. I'm just trying to give you some kind of history about the town, the place where I live. I hope that you find it of interest. I'm certainly enjoying what I'm doing. There's still plenty of places to go and explore and go and visit with my drone. So I will endeavour to do that in upcoming videos. Anyway, so this is just to say, well, thanks for watching. And I'll see you hopefully on the next one, and take care, and yeah, bye for now.